Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel, Kardashian Adventures. And right now, I wanted to share to you another item that I bought online. This is called FOREO LUNA Play Plus. So, this is a facial massager tsaka facial cleansing din siya. So, actually, I saw this kasi I love watching Cristel Fulgar's videos or vlogs. So yun, doon ko siya nakita. Cristel Fulgar is also using FOREO LUNA, but I think she's using yung higher versions. This one kasi is medyo mas mababang version and masyadong expensive kasi yung gamit ni Cristel. It's worth 11,000. So, yung nabili ko, this one is just about 3,300. So, mas maliit siya. I think mas malalaki yung ibang FOREO LUNA na item. So, this is color blue. There is also one more FOREO LUNA Play. Yun naman, smaller than this one. So, tingnan nyo kung gaano siya kaliit. So, yan. Ganito siya kalaki, guys. So, sa hand ko, ganun siya kalaki. Ayan. And I love this kasi favorite color ko yung blue. Ayan. Tapos, so how to use it? Meron siya ditong on and off button. Dito sa likod niya. Tapos, pag magwa-wash ka ng face mo, you have to wet first your face. Tapos, lagyan mo ng facial wash na gamit mo. Then, you can massage your face with this. You're using this FOREO LUNA Play Plus. So, ano ba yung kaibahan niya dun sa FOREO LUNA Play? So, sa FOREO LUNA kasi, it's smaller as I mentioned. So, bigger version siya. Tapos, meron siyang AAA battery na nata-change. So, yung AAA battery niya, hindi dito siya sa loob, pwede mo siyang i-change after kapag ka nalobat na siya. Pero yung included na yung battery when you buy the FOREO LUNA Play Plus. And then, nasa 400 times mo siyang magagamit using the battery inside. Yun. So, ito yung kanyang manual. Sorry. Ito yung manual niya. So, sabi dito, ito yung mga benefits niya in using FOREO LUNA Play Plus. Makakapag-deep and gentle cleansing for your face. Tapos, meron siyang ultra-hygienic silicone, relax and facial massage, and it is also suitable for all skin types. Ayan. Tapos, very handy siya. Pwede mo siyang dalhin anywhere. Katulad ngayon, I'm traveling, pero I have my FOREO LUNA Play Plus inside my bag. Kasi sobrang liit lang niya. Pwede mo siyang dalhin anywhere. Tapos, ito yung kanyang tawag dito. Kapag may problem ka with your item, you can visit foreo.com support. Ayan, guys. So, try natin siyang gamitin. So, ito yung paano daw siya gamitin. Actually, wala siyang full manual dito sa sa packaging niya. But instead, you can visit foreo.com support and download the full user manual. Pero madali lang naman kasi siyang gamitin. Very user-friendly naman siya. Ayan. So, try na natin siyang gamitin, guys. So, first, syempre, you have to wet your face, tsaka i-wet natin yung ating FOREO LUNA. Syempre, waterproof to, guys. So, don't be afraid na basain siya. So, ayan. Kailangan mo siya. Kung wet mo na yung face mo, wala kasi kung nadalang headband. So, ayan. So, wet your face and then, kung ano yung gamit mo ng facial wash, you can use it kahit ano. So, I'm using a Korean brand, green tea foam cleanser, yung Real Kill. So, yan. You can also visit my Shopee page. I'm selling this kind of facial wash sa K-Beauty products. I'll also include my link down below para makita nyo yung Shopee page ko. So, yun. And then you can put an ample amount of your facial wash dito sa FOREO LUNA Play mo. And then, it's ready to be used. Yan. pwede mo siyang basahin pa ng konti and then turn on the button sa likod. Just turn on the button and maririnig mo or mafe-feel mo naman that it's already on. Then you can start using it on your face. Ayan. Mararamdaman mo, sobrang gentle niyang nagmamassage ng face mo. At the same time, it's also cleaning your pores kasi meron siyang mga small bristles, if you can see silicone bristles, that can unclog your pores. Kaya maganda siyang gamitin. So, yan. Siyempre sa T-zone area, dyan lagi nagbubuo yung mga clogging of pores, may mga madaming oils. Ayan, so kailangan mo siyang linisan lagi. Ayan. Tsaka ang sarap sa feeling nito kasi nare-relax nga yung mukha mo, parang namamassage. Parang ka na din nag-facial at home. So, I think this is a worth it buy. Magandang, maganda siyang investment. Kasi nga medyo may kamahalan. Pero I think this is really a good item. Ayan. And you can see this item din sa mga K-drama. May mga ganito din silang ginagamit. Kaya magaganda yung kutis nila kasi may mga ganito silang product. Ayan. So, after, kapag satisfy ka na dun sa pagkaka-massage mo ng face mo and pagkalinis mo ng face mo, then you can turn off, yun din, dito din, just turn off the FOREO LUNA Play and then i-wash mo lang siya, i-rinse mo lang siya, rinse mo siya, and ayan na siya. Then you can dry it, let it dry, tapos syempre, panlawan natin yung face natin. Ayan. So, panlaw na yung face natin. We just need to wipe it dry. So, ayan guys. Ayan yung bare face ko after using FOREO LUNA Play. Siguro pagka after longer usage of it, syempre mas makikita natin yung effect niya sa ating face. Syempre mas maganda na siya kasi malaging malilinis yung face mo. Lalo na if you're wearing makeup most of the time kasi di ba nagka-clog yung pores natin pagka nag-wear tayo ng makeup, ng mga powder and all. So maganda after the day, after the whole day, you wash your face using FOREO LUNA Play Plus para ma-unclog yung pores and ma-massage din yung face mo. So yun, that's it guys. That is the FOREO LUNA Play Plus. I hope you like it, and if you want to buy the same product, I will also include the link below para makita nyo din yung iba't iba pang FOREO LUNA products, okay? So thank you for watching guys. I hope you like it. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And for the mommies out there and girls out there, self-care is not selfish. So, lagi nating isipin na we have to take care of ourselves. Okay, thank you guys. Happy watching. Good day. Bye.